Hey guys, welcome back to another fresh video. So today is a new topic, quite a new video. Today I will be cooking. It's quite a rare sighting that I come to the kitchen. But yes, so I'll be making gajar ka halwa today. I got all the things from the market and I'll start it. But I'm just waiting for Shaina because she'll be doing most of the things and I'll be supervising her. So we'll just wait for her. She's got to get a few things. But till then I'll scrape this thing. You call it scraping, I don't know, but I'll scrape this thing, carrots, and I'll keep it ready. So yeah, without wasting any time, I'll just get started. So I'm done separating the elaichi. I think this much is enough. But China is still struggling with the...
Struggling?
And what?
You saw how many carrots there were?
Not quite a lot. Good job, good job. You know, actually she's very slow in the kitchen.
Bro, what did you just say?
Yeah, so like we'll wait for some time, let her do that. And after that I'll keep it on the show.
2 hours later.
So after a million years, China is almost about to get done with it. This is the last carrot. So once the pan is heated up, you know what you can do is put around 3 to 4 teaspoons of ghee. Then once that is heated up, you can add your carrots. Here goes the carrots. You can saute them like this for like 2-3 minutes. And then once it gets a golden orange color, you simply add milk to it. This is fresh milk. You can even add milk with cream. So it was not cooking quite well in that other pan. So that's why I transferred it to this utensil. You know, it's boiling evenly. So that one was, you know, it had too much of surface area, so it was not boiling evenly. And the induction coils are only till here. So on this one, you see, it's getting a good boil. It is almost about to be done. Maybe another 5-6 minutes and it's done then. You can add a little bit of sugar if you want to. And for the last, here goes the elaichi. And you can add some dry grapes to it. Now since I like dry grapes a lot, I'll add the entire packet. But it depends on taste to taste how much you want to add. And there we go. We have our gajar ka halwa ready. You know, some people like to make it extremely dry, but I don't like that. I keep it a bit wet. Like it tastes good also like that. So yeah, so we are done with that. I'll just keep it like this for 5 minutes and then I'll start serving.
A few minutes later.
So I got some for me and for Maya as well. But she is saying that she had tea just now, that's why she won't be having. I'll take a quick taste and I'll let you all know how it is. It's actually turned out good. I'm not saying because I have made it, but it's really good. I'll see if I call Malcolm. If Malcolm comes, I'll ask him also how it tastes. But yeah, overall, like, you know, it's really good. It's really good. I know it's quite an easy thing to make also, but it has turned out good. And yes, it was that much for today's video. I hope you all have liked the video. If you get a chance, do try my recipe. You will love it. I was just having and I realized that I put too much of elaichi, but it's fine. I'll add a bit more of sugar, but I think I added too much of elaichi. But yeah, I hope you all have liked the video. If you have liked it, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Till then, see you in the next video. Bye.